Welcome to the online exam platform of Bhavan's Public School. System requirements. Operating system: Windows 7, Windows 10, Apple OS. Internet speed 1 Mbps or more. Browser: Google Chrome latest version. Must close all programs or windows before you begin the exam. Do not open other windows during the exam. System might log you out from the exam. Regulation for online exam. Online exam activity logs shall be recorded with IP address and timestamp. Should not change the windows during exam to avoid auto termination from the system. Room must be as quiet as possible. Music, TVs are not permitted. Lighting in the room must be bright enough. No person should be allowed during exam nearer to the system. General instructions. The candidate should have a fully charged laptop or desktop or mobile phone or tab with a stable internet connection. The test could only be taken on the given day and at the given time. The online test window will disappear after the test timing. Hence, all the candidates are required to log in at the correct time and take their test. Candidates must keep pen, paper and other paraphernalia ready at their disposal for doing rough work, calculations, etc. Read the questions carefully and keep a watch on the time. Reread your answers before submitting. Once submitted, there is no provision to edit the response or answer. All the disputes, apprehensions, complaints regarding the online examination will be redressed by the discretionary authority of the principal. The online exam is accessible on any electronic gadget that has stable internet connection. You can either choose a desktop, laptop, mobile phone or a tab for taking the test. Choose your preferred browser, preferably Google Chrome, and type www.bhavansqatar.org. You are directed to the school portal. Click on the online exam tab, which is present on the extreme upper right of the portal. After clicking the online exam tab, the candidate is required to fill up the username, password and the captcha code. The username and password will be given to the candidates by the class teachers in advance. The captcha code will be visible by default. On typing the captcha code, the candidate is directed to the online exam window or page. The online exam window contains 5 circular buttons with varied colors bearing inscriptions on it. The first one, brown, in brackets it is given all. On clicking this button, the candidate is informed about the test, timing of the test, number of questions, test duration, remaining time, etc. The cyan colored button indicates the status of completed test. The green colored button indicates the test to be taken. The blue colored button suggests about the test to be taken that was dropped in the midway due to technical lapses. The red colored button shows the status of expired test or completed test. Click on the proceed button. After verifying the exam name, roll number and candidate name, tick the agree button followed by the confirm tab. Read the instructions thoroughly and tick the necessary columns. Click on to the I am ready to begin tab. Then the candidate is driven to the examination page. On the extreme right, total time of the test is shown. This time will subside in descending pattern as the test progresses. The total time of the test will be displayed on the screen. The time subsides as the test progresses. The candidates are given the option to choose any question at random. The white color indicates the total number of questions to be answered. The green color indicates the total number of questions already answered. The red tab shows the status of the question currently undertaken by the candidate. By clicking on the green colored tab, the candidate can review the answers. If necessary, they can edit the answer further. By clicking on to the question, the candidate will get a clear and enlarged view of the question. After marking the response, the candidate should compulsorily click on the Save and Next button for the next question. Failing to do so, the candidate will not be able to move ahead. The responses will be saved automatically. After answering all the questions, click on the Submit Test bar to submit the test. Once submitted, there is no provision to amend your responses. Click on the green Yes button for the successful completion and submission of the test. Press Continue for the next test. If any of the candidates try to open a new tab or change the focus of the screen by minimizing or browsing or surfing, etc., when the exam is progressing, it will be treated as an attempt to malpractice. The candidate will immediately notified a warning message. If it is repeated 3 times, the test would be terminated automatically. The candidate will not be given a chance to retake the test under such circumstances. In case, if a candidate is faced with a technical lapse during the exam like system shutdown, unavailability of the Wi-Fi, data signal, low bandwidth, or any unwarranted technical glitch, the candidate must resume the test then and there itself by logging on the school portal by entering the required details. The test could be resumed from where it was discontinued. The test will be considered as the continuation of the first test, hence no extra time will be provided.